They say some friends are for a lifetime. Well, these are some of them. I have not seen these people for 4 years now, and this was a perfect getaway. Olulua Nature Trail is a perfect mix of tranquility and serenity in one pot. The trails are perfect for a group of friends, and the hiking terrain is mild, suitable for a family.
To show you and educate you about this, it's called Wait a Bit. The name came from a guy in 1627 called Eric Wait a Bit. He got stuck while trying to trespass someone's territory. He took his time, removed this thing, and he realized that, oh, wait a bit, something is on my clothes.
I never knew that. Okay.
Wait a bit, Abby, wait a bit.
Yeah, so these are basically a thorn in there. We do research.
in a dunga. Hey guys, so we are heading straight there to see some bamboos.
To learn
more.
As you can see, they look beautiful, appealing, attractive.
Yeah, appealing to nature.
They also offer shade. Wow, there's sunlight outside there, but inside here we are safe because next to the bamboos.
Yeah.
And how can you feel when you have this area that has bamboo? How do you feel when you have it around?
The area is so serene. It's calm.
Natural.
Yeah, nature at its best.
So guys, we're still continuing with the hike. Some guys here are tired.
I'm super tired. I'm so
Yeah. So you have to be here. And we're still continuing the hike. Bado tujamaliza, lakini bado tunaendelea. Yeah. Would you recommend any people to come here?
I can recommend you guys to have a taste of this place, but for the best experience, why not try us? Wait, even the breathing feels different.
Oh.
Fresh air.
Yeah, fresh air. I mean, it looks beautiful. This is a beautiful place. Don't even cost too much to just come. So guys, make sure you come back to Olulua Nature Trail, right here at the heart of Karen. So nice place to be at.
The highlight of the trail was us catching up on how life has taken different directions, and also these guys decided to do some rock climbing and also visited some rock cave at the forest. Life is what you choose, and for us, we chose travel to see the world in different perspectives.
So you're with Yvonne. How do you feel about the hike?
It's so nice, so much fresh air. The serene itself. You should try it out. It's just 200
Kenya shillings.
Fee for citizens.
Yeah.
For kids. Kids is over 200.
I think kids is a much lower
maybe
rate.
half a price,
Yeah.
half the price of adults, or 150.
Yeah.
We would like to take you with us on our friendship journey, Pathfinders.